Hello and welcome to the Futures Lab. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make snow and how you can add it to any Scratch project that you want. So if you start off with your project like this, the first thing that I'm going to do is choose a backdrop. I quite like the woods backdrop. Now we need to create the snow sprite. Now you can draw this if you want to. I'm just going to choose the snowflake that Scratch already has. Now, first of all, this is way too big. We need to make this a lot smaller, don't we? So let's put some code into our snowflake. Go to Events and get out When Green Flag Clicked. Just zoom in so you guys can see that a bit better. Then go to Looks and set size to 1%. Then get out Go to Front Layer. If you have any other sprites in your Scratch project, you need to make sure that the snow is in front of all of them, otherwise it will look weird. Now we need to make sure that this snow will go to the top of the screen where it's going to fall down. So go to Motion and get out Set Y to 190. The top of the screen is 180, so 190 should hopefully be a little bit above that. Go to Control, get out Forever. And then in that forever, we need to point the snow downwards. Go to Motion and get out Point in Direction 90. Click on the 90 and then drag this arrow here. And now it should say Point in Direction 180. Now we don't want all the snow to go straight down. So let's get out a turn 15 degrees. Go to Operators and get out a Pick Random. Put that right over the 15. And put the first number as -30 and the second number as 30. Now we need to make sure that the snowflakes are appearing at different points along the top of the screen. So go to Motion and get out Set X and go to Operators and get out another Pick Random. We're going to make this -240, which is the very left of the screen, to 240, which is the very right of the screen, so that all the snow is appearing at all these different points along the top edge of the screen. Now go to Control and get out a wait 0.1 seconds, create clone of myself. Now we need to give our snow some instructions for what to do when it's being created. So let's get out when I start as clone, forever. Go to Motion and get out Move 1 step. Now let's test it and see how that looks. Okay, all the snow's been created. That looks really good. But just notice what's happening on the edge of the screen here. The snow hits the left side of the screen and then just gets stuck there. The same thing happens along the bottom. And the same thing is even happening over on the right. We need to make sure that these snowflakes delete themselves once they touch the edge of the screen. So first, let's make it so that when they hit the bottom of the screen, they delete themselves. Go to Control, get out If Then, go to Operators, and we need a less than operator, which is this one here. The arrow is pointing left. Go to Motion and get out Y position. Put that here, and then replace this 50 with -179. Now -180 is the very bottom of the screen, so we need to make sure that if we get to that point or get any lower, that we delete the snowflake. So go to Control and get out Delete this clone. Now we need to make it so that the snowflakes delete themselves if they hit the left of the screen. So right click on this if, duplicate, take away this Y position and replace it with an X position. Change this number to -239. Then let's copy this, duplicate, but we're going to need to replace this less than with a more than, which is this one here. The arrow is pointing right. Get out this X position, throw out this less than, and change this 50 to 239. And let's give that a test and see what it looks like. So now when we see the snowflake hit the left, excellent, it deletes itself, and the right does the same. And once the snowflakes get to the bottom, they should also delete themselves. So that's everything. Subscribe and ring the bell to see more Scratch tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you're going to use the snow code for in what project or game. And aside from that, stay awesome, be cool to each other, and take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time, ninjas.